All right, just got this a couple of days ago, but I soaked it up for a couple hours. Make sure you wet this. You soak it up in a bucket or somewhere before you start prior to using it to get rid of any impurities and also dust. So just make sure before you're using an aquarium, um, make sure you soak it up and dip it in the water. Keep it there for at least 7 hours, and then it's ready to go. So we're gonna put this today in our aquarium. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, just put in my aquarium. And look at this. It took no time for the actual shrimp to start finding out what's going on. Look at this guy. I don't know if you guys can see them, but he's right there. He's investigating the new zone. They're liking it. They're already making themselves very comfortable in here. I'm going to put him a little bit more deeper in the gravel, but right now I'm going to let him enjoy it for a bit. Let him understand it. I do have a lot of real plants in here, so it camouflages pretty good. You can see it from far away. I do have a piece of wood that's falling apart already, and this is a perfect addition to my aquarium because I don't have to worry about debris or anything like that, and it's something I could just take out and clean it. And if you guys notice, I do have a lot of shrimp. They need places to hide. This will give them additional little places, a little shelter, little playground. Look at these guys. They're all curious. All the fishes are curious to see what's going on. So if you guys are looking for a new aquarium fixture or something beautiful like this where a lot of details matches in the environment that I put it in, hope you guys enjoy this video.